Hello, I am EberDev3, and this is how you can create a Slay the Spire like world level generator. Note, it's more abstract thinking and less of a regular tutorial, but let me know if you would like something like that in the future. So basically, first you have to spawn some nodes/positions. I'm spawning them in a circle, but this can be whatever shape that you'd like. Then, using a pathfinding algorithm like A-star, generate some different paths between the start and end node with different lengths. After that, I simply populate these paths with different nodes. Great, but not really. The problem with this approach is that you don't really have proper control over the nodes. Paths can be unfair and stupid, and it's generally less customizable. So what I do instead is this. I create a scriptable object called the path object. This basically stores all the data that different paths might have, like difficulty, length, etc. For my game, I use 4 of these: a hard gauntlet path, a long but rather easy adventure path, a regular path, and a treasure path that is both hard and long, but filled with lots of treasure, of course. After that, I populate it as before with a bunch of nodes. Then I generate the paths based on their respective path object lengths. I save every path, assign them their respective path object, iterate through them all, and generate the path content and levels, stuff like that. That is, simplified of course, it. Also, I ran into the problem that the paths will in some cases overlap. So in this case, I will prioritize and have the paths with lower path directness be overridden by those with higher. Okay, great, but what? How am I supposed to code all of this, you might think? Well, the system that I have created for this is far too vast, convoluted, and complex to showcase in one video, without it being 40 minutes long, so I won't. But I'll link my project for this down below with the actual code on GitHub. That's basically all this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, since it helps smaller creators out a ton, and let me know if you're having a problem with something in the comments. Auf Wiedersehen!